This is the Anweller Smart Deadbolt lock. Makes a really strong first impression. This isn't an unboxing only. This is a Wi-Fi fingerprint keyless entry deadbolt that just from the unboxing feels like a serious upgrade from a basic front door lock. It comes with main smart deadbolt parts, the rechargeable battery, the door sensors, these cards, mechanical keys, regular keys, and a big user's manual. There are multiple ways to unlock it, including keypad code, fingerprint, the RFID card, an app control, and backup keys. There is a display screen here I can see, and the larger battery here is going to give it a more modern, high-tech feel before you really even install it, okay? Final verdict here. From the unboxing perspective only, this feels like a very complete, smart lock setup. It has everything here that you need to get started. Everything. It's a mix of fingerprint access, Wi-Fi control, RFID cards, an auto lock sensor, and the backup keys, which makes it feel practical for a front door, side door, gated garage entry, or a rental property. Highly recommend this Anweller Smart Deadbolt lock, and this review is sponsored by the brand.